When it comes to brightening up your home, nothing beats the power of natural light. Sunshine pouring into a room instantly makes the space feel warmer, larger, and more inviting. For homeowners in Sugar Land, casement windows are one of the best choices to bring in abundant light while adding style and functionality to your home. Why natural light matters. Natural light doesn't just make your interiors look good, it also has benefits for your health and energy efficiency. Sunlight helps boost mood, increases productivity, and supports better sleep cycles. From a practical standpoint, maximizing natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, which can help lower electricity bills. In Sugar Land, where sunny days are plentiful, choosing the right windows can make the most of this natural resource. What makes casement windows special? Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, much like a door. This design provides several unique advantages for homeowners looking to increase natural light. Unobstructed glass panels. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, casement windows don't have dividing rails in the middle. This allows for a wide, uninterrupted view and maximum light penetration. Flexible ventilation. Because they open outward at an angle, casement windows can catch side breezes and channel fresh air indoors. This is a great bonus in Sugar Land's warm climate. Energy efficiency. When closed, casement windows create a tight seal that prevents air leaks, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Perfect for Sugar Land homes. Sugar Land homes often feature open layouts and spacious living areas that benefit from large windows. Casement windows can be customized to fit living rooms, kitchens, and even bedrooms, making them an ideal solution for creating bright, airy interiors. Their sleek design complements both traditional and modern architecture, enhancing curb appeal as well as functionality. Where to install casement windows for maximum light? To get the most natural light possible, consider these strategic locations. Living room. Large casement windows allow light to pour into gathering spaces, making them feel more welcoming for family and guests. Kitchen. Installing a casement window above the sink brightens your workspace and provides refreshing ventilation while cooking. Bedrooms. Morning sunlight through casement windows can help you wake up naturally and start the day energized. Home office. With more residents working from home, natural light in your workspace is essential for productivity and focus. Combining light and energy savings in Sugar Land, summers can get hot and energy bills can climb quickly. Casement windows help balance natural light with energy efficiency. Modern designs often feature double or triple pane glass with low emissivity coatings, which let sunlight in while blocking harmful UV rays and reducing heat gain. This means you can enjoy bright interiors without sacrificing comfort or overspending on cooling. Style meets functionality. Casement windows don't just serve a practical purpose, they also elevate the look of your home. Their clean lines and unobstructed views make any room feel more modern and open. For homeowners who want to highlight their outdoor landscaping, casement windows frame views beautifully, almost like a piece of living artwork. A smart investment. Installing casement windows is more than just a design choice, it's an investment in your home's value. Buyers today look for energy efficiency, abundant natural light, and modern design. Upgrading to casement windows in Sugar Land can check all of these boxes, making your home more appealing should you decide to sell. Conclusion. Maximizing natural light is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to improve your living space. Casement windows bring together form and function, offering Sugar Land homeowners an elegant solution for brighter rooms, better ventilation, and improved efficiency. Whether you're remodeling a single room or upgrading your entire home, casement windows are a smart choice that lets the sunshine in, literally.